我们当地的警务人员联系我说，能不能为他们制作或设计点东西啊？好吧，接下来做的东西，希望你们永远都用不到。
Like a dance hall queen when she winding up, causing a commotion with that ass as she back it up. See it in my rear view, swinging it from 40 blocks, crash it on the floor, break the scale, hitting 20 tops. Diesel like a truck, diamonds in the cups, put that ass in handcuffs. Running like a criminal. Diesel like a truck, diamonds in the cups, put that ass in handcuffs. Running like a criminal. I'm a bad wine, yeah she have a bad wine. I'm a bad wine, yeah she have a bad wine. I'm a bad wine, yeah she have a bad wine. Whining like a beast, like a beast, like a beast. I'm a bad wine, yeah she have a bad wine. I'm a bad wine, yeah she have a bad wine. I'm a bad wine, yeah she have a bad wine. Somebody call the police. Somebody call the police. Somebody call the police. She could make a thunderstorm when she winding up. Better run for cover, get it down when she back it up. Take my credit card, take my cash, anything she want. Better lock her up, she gonna steal everybody's heart. Diesel like a truck, diamonds in the cups, put that ass in handcuffs. Running like a criminal. Diesel like a truck, diamonds in the cups, put that ass in handcuffs. Running like a criminal. I'm a bad wine, yeah she have a bad wine. I'm a bad wine, yeah she have a bad wine. I'm a bad wine, yeah she have a bad wine. Whining like a beast. I'm a bad wine, yeah she have a bad wine. I'm a bad wine, yeah she have a bad wine. I'm a bad wine, yeah she have a bad wine. Somebody call the police.
我们的警务人员在公共场所抓捕完犯罪嫌疑人时，为了维护他们的人格尊严，通常会用衣服把手铐遮住。这样做我觉得有点不方便，所以我设计了这款盆儿型的手铐。当犯罪嫌疑人戴上这款手铐之后，外表就像拿了个盆儿去洗衣服或者是去洗漱一样也能起到相同的作用。具体的使用效果，请关注保定网警他们会进行展示，快去观看吧。